Hello everyone, this is Reenu Bundel. Today I will give a lecture on the logic gates. So let's start with the introduction and the definition. What is logic gates? Logic gate is basically a digital circuit which is either allow a signal to pass through it or to stop it. There are three basic logic gates and or NOT gate. Logic gate basically a electronic circuit. इसमें एक या एक से अधिक इनपुट हो सकते हैं बट एक ही आउटपुट होता है और ये इनपुट और आउटपुट दोनों बाइनरी फॉर्म में होते हैं तथा इनमें इनपुट और आउटपुट की वैल्यू 0 मीन्स लो और 1 मीन्स हाई हो सकती हैं. सो फर्स्ट we explain the OR gate. If we applied A or B input, then the output will be obtained X. OR gate means addition. A plus B, that means OR gate. So let's we understand through the truth table of the OR gate. If any of the variable A or B, if 0, then the output will be 1. Suppose A or B is 0, then output is 0. If the output A and B both of 1, then output will be 1. Now OR gate application, suppose a front doorbell switch, a back door switch in input and the output always be doorbell, depends on our inputs is 0 or 1 or not. If either the front doorbell switch or the back doorbell switch is pressed, then the doorbell rings. Now AND gate. If both of inputs apply, then the output will be X. The output will be positive when both inputs, the input OR and the two input are positive true. OR gate means multiplication of two variables. We can see in the truth table of the AND gate. Here, if any of the input, all the outputs, if 0, then output will be 0, and only on the one condition, if A or B is 1, then we will be obtain the 1 output. So we can see the application of the AND gate. If any input person sensor and alarm switch is apply on the AND gate input, then we will be obtain the burglar alarm output. If both the person sensor and the alarm switch are on, then the burglar alarm is activated. Only that this is a one condition when the both AND gate inputs is 1, then the output will be 1. Now NOT gate. NOT gate is similar as the inverter, has only one input. It reverses the logic gates. If we applied the one input, then the output will be 0. If we applied the 0 input, then will be obtain the 1. The example of this, if the temperature detector about 20 degrees centigrade, the central heating on or off. If the temperature is about 20 degrees centigrade, then the central heating is switched off. If just opposite the temperature is below 20 degrees centigrade, then the central heating is switched on. Now we can easily understand through the truth table and or on NOT gate, where NOT gate 0, then output 1, 1, then output 0. All our application of logic gates, if suppose switch and the light sensor is applied NOT gate and the switch input applied, both of input apply on the OR gate, then the output will be applying strict light than the on 1 or off 0. So I hope now you can better understand what is logic gates and where we are applied in applications and so on about this. Thank you.